Today, we're gonna talk about how to do side lying hip raise. First, start by laying on your side on the floor, taking a side plank position, making sure that your elbow is directly beneath your shoulder. Bend both legs, and here we have two ways to do this. The first one, which is easier, is the assisted one where we have both legs bent together, and then we push with both knees to get the hip off the floor, and then to the front and lock your glutes. Go back and repeat. And the other way is where you get the leg on the top, straight in the air, so you don't use it for assistance. You just push with the leg on the floor throughout the knee, get your hip off the floor, and then to the front and lock your glutes. Keep on repeating until the set is complete, and then switch legs and repeat the process.